Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of wood adhesives. If you're a woodworker, PI enthusiast, or simply someone who loves crafting with wood, you know how crucial a reliable wood glue can be. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing a favorite wooden toy, or embarking on a creative project, the right glue can make all the difference. So, let's explore the 7 best wood glues on the market that promise strong, lasting bonds and help transform your woodworking experience. Number 1. Titebond II Wood Glue, 4 ounces. First up is the renowned Titebond II Wood Glue, a favorite among professionals and hobbyists alike. This exceptional adhesive boasts a waterproof formula, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. What sets Titebond II apart is its ability to bond wood effectively while remaining flexible, which is essential for preventing cracks in your woodwork. This glue is also easy to clean up, as it can be wiped with a damp cloth before it sets, a true lifesaver for those unexpected spills. When it comes to usability, Titebond II's convenient 4 ounces bottle allows for easy application, giving you control over your projects. With a working time of about 10 minutes, you'd have enough time to make adjustments without rushing. It dries to a tan color, blending seamlessly with most wood types, and once cured, it outperforms many other glues in terms of strength. Whether you're crafting intricate details or tackling larger joints, this glue provides durability you can trust. Plus, Titebond II is non-toxic, ensuring safety for all users. Don't overlook this powerhouse glue for your next woodworking venture.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Gorilla Waterproof Glue, 18 ounces. Next on the list is Gorilla Waterproof Glue, an absolute game changer for any woodworker. This versatile adhesive provides an unmatched level of bonding strength and is ideal for various materials, including wood, stone, metal, ceramic, and more. The unique formula offers waterproof characteristics, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications, perfect for garden furniture or outdoor decorations that need to withstand the elements. What's impressive about Gorilla Waterproof Glue is its expanding foam technology. When applied, it creates a strong bond as the glue cures, allowing it to fill voids and gaps effectively while providing a secure hold. The 18 ounces bottle comes with an easy-to-use applicator, ensuring precision in application, which is especially helpful in intricate projects. This glue has a long set time of around 10 to 20 minutes, enabling you to position your pieces without feeling rushed. Once fully cured, it's incredibly durable, forming a bond that is resistant to oil, grease, and water. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a hobbyist, Gorilla Waterproof Glue should be a staple in your toolbox for its multi-purpose capability and robust performance. It's not just glue, it's a reliable partner in your woodworking journey. Number 3. Meuvcol Wood Glue, 150 grams. Moving on, we have Meuvcol Wood Glue, a solid contender for any wood bonding project. This adhesive is known for its quick drying time and high initial tack, allowing for immediate bonding that is incredibly important for vertical applications. The 150 grams bottle fits comfortably in your hand, providing a user-friendly experience, while the precision nozzle allows for accurate application, minimizing waste. Meuvcol's formulation is strong enough to bond various types of wood, making it a fantastic option for both softwood and hardwood projects. The glue dries clear, which is a significant advantage if you're working with visible joints or intricate designs where aesthetics matter. Users appreciate that it can be sanded, stained, or painted once fully cured, providing versatility and convenience in finishing your projects. Durability is a key feature, as this glue can withstand regular wear and tear, ensuring that your creations last for years. The effectiveness of the Meuvcol wood glue lies in its ability to create a wedge-type bond, maximizing the surface area contact. If you're looking for a reliable adhesive that delivers on performance and usability, Meuvcol Wood Glue deserves a spot in your toolkit. Number 4. Yeardera Wood Glue, 150 grams. In the 4th spot, we introduce Yeardera Wood Glue, a product that has gained popularity among woodworkers for its exceptional bonding capabilities and design. This 150 grams adhesive is designed for a wide variety of woodworking applications, offering an impressively strong bond that can hold up under stress. The packaging is compact and practical, making it easy to store and carry to job sites or workshops. One of the standout features of Yeardera wood glue is its rapid drying time, allowing projects to advance quickly without unnecessary delays. Once applied, you can expect a strong initial bond that continues to cure perfectly over time. This glue is also environmentally friendly, being water-based and non-toxic, which makes it a safer choice for home use. Yeardera has formulated its glue to also be resistant to heat, moisture, and even solvents after curing, adding to its durability for various applications. The ability to paint and sand the glue after it dries makes it incredibly versatile in finishing your woodworking projects. If you're after a wood glue that combines speed and reliability, Yeardera wood glue is an excellent choice you won't regret. Number 5. Elmers Carpenter Glue E7310 16 ounces. Now let's talk about Elmers Carpenter Glue E7310, a classic choice that has stood the test of time in the woodworking community. This 16 ounces bottle contains a formulated adhesive that is specifically designed for wood-to-wood applications. Known for its strength and versatility, this glue is water-resistant, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Elmers Carpenter glue bonds quickly and securely, creating a lasting hold that can bear weight and withstand daily usage. The design of the bottle allows for easy application with a fine tip that helps apply the right amount of glue without making a mess. It's safe for crafts and woodworking projects, and you'll love that it cleans up easily with soap and water while still wet. The glue dries to a natural color, allowing your projects to maintain their aesthetic appeal without visible glue lines. Additionally, the glue can be sanded and painted once fully cured, offering color-matching flexibility that is essential for detail-oriented projects. Choose Elmers Carpenter glue for dependable performance that's always there when you need a sticky solution. Number 6. L&Q Wood Super Glue 20 grams. At number 6, we have L&Q Wood Super Glue, a fantastic option for quick fixes and detailed projects alike. The 20 grams bottle is designed for precision and ease of use, making it a favorite for artisan woodworkers and hobbyists. This glue offers a fast-drying solution that bonds wood instantly, perfect for those moments when time is of the essence. What makes L&Q Wood Super Glue stand out is its strong multi-surface bonding capabilities. It adheres not only to wood but also to various other materials, making it ideal for mixed material crafting. The Super Glue's clear finish ensures that your joints remain invisible, which is especially crucial in finely detailed items like models and delicate crafts. Durability is also a strong suit for L&Q, as it can withstand humidity and temperature changes without losing its effectiveness. The convenient application tip helps keep everything neat, which is a significant plus in woodworking where precision matters. If you want a dependable glue that works quickly and efficiently, look no further than L&Q Wood Super Glue for your next project. Number 7. Snailmart Wood Glue 90 grams. Finally, we end our list with Snailmart Wood Glue, a sleek and efficient adhesive that packs quite the punch in a compact 90 grams container. This high-quality wood glue is designed to provide a strong and durable bond for all types of wood, making it ideal for crafting, woodworking projects, and repairs. Snailmart's formulation is specially designed to be easy to apply and quick to set, providing you with the flexibility to adjust your pieces as needed. This glue is water-resistant, ensuring that it can hold up against moisture without compromising bond strength. Once dry, Snailmart remains unnoticeable, making it perfect for visible joints where aesthetics are crucial. Users appreciate the glue's non-toxic composition, which makes it a safe choice for indoor projects. The glue also dries clear, giving you the ability to finish models or wooden items that require sanding, staining, or painting. Snailmart Wood Glue combines exceptional performance with ease of use, making it a must-have for any serious woodworker or dyer. And there you have it, the 7 best wood glues for creating strong, lasting bonds in your woodworking projects. Each of these products has unique qualities that cater to different needs, from waterproof capabilities to quick-setting formulas. Remember, the right glue can elevate your projects and ensure they stand the test of time. We hope this guide helps you make an informed choice and inspires you to tackle your next project with confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks for your woodworking adventures. See you in the next video.